You can mirror any image in Affinity Photo very quickly. And the way to do it is using pattern layers. So you can see my design here. I've got a pattern design from an image. So let's go right back to the start. Open an image. You might not want all of the image. So what you can do, just go over here to the crop tool, select that, and just crop. Say just part of that. So that's what you want. So once you've done that, press return. If you go to the move tool, you'll notice you've actually got more of the document outside of this image. Well, what you need to do is go to the layer menu and rasterize and trim to remove that. Now you can turn it into a mirrored image. So with this selected, what you can do, transform panel. Go here and you'll notice you've got the size of the document. Simply go to there and say divide by 2. You just have to put /2. And then do exactly the same for the H. And you've got it right up in that top left corner. Well, now you can go up here and you can go to layer and new pattern layer from selection. That's what's selected, that design. So new pattern layer from selection. But what you can also do is go for mirror. And you can see now the result. Now you can move it up there and you can see it perfectly mirrored. Now I'm just going to move the transform away. And I've still got the original image. You could, of course, delete that. But now what you can do with this selected, go to filters and you can use any of these. So blur and motion blur, say, and you can see the effect. Here's the panel and you can change the radius. And as you do that, change there. And you can also interactively do it. So you can see as you do that, it will drag out that way. And you can also change rotation and so on. Another one, filter and distort and deform. And you can just drag and distort that. Maybe not particularly the greatest image, but you can, if you wish, distort it. Go to filters and also you can use, say, lighting. All of them can be used with this. Now you can simply click here and you drag out and you'll notice what happens. It's mirrored as well. You can also go to filters and distort and maybe down to displace. And here, what you can do, you can use the layer beneath the image itself. So you can just go here, load map from layers beneath. So click there and straight away you now can see the result of that. And you can change the strength. So you can just increase that and you can create some very unusual imagery. And again, you see the design going off that way and click apply. Now you can repeat it. You can go to filters and repeat, but you can also go to layer and you can fade it. So fade displacement map and you can see the result of that fade. And also you've got blending modes and you can run through those. So maybe decide, let's just go for hard mix and change the fade value and click apply. The image was created in Clip Studio Paint version 2. Real great feature now. You've got face mixer as well as some really good blending tools to make all kinds of imagery. That image was then saved as a PSD document and then loaded into Affinity Photo. Well, I hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Also, please subscribe to the channel. I've got lots and lots of videos about Affinity Photo, about displacement maps, how to use pattern layers, and much, much more. Also, a like or dislike, always appreciated. Thank you much.